again. I'm really happy to be here again, and of course in this video this is just to prove to you that this same indicator that I'm using on my PC is also working with gold, and I'm going to show you my trading result for today. I actually started with $48. Okay, I started with $48, and of course you're going to see my trading results right away. Okay, but before I go fully into it, guys, this is the trading tools which I'm using, and of course you can only use this trading tool on the PC platform. I made use of my PC platform to do my analysis, and I placed my trade, and of course I'm able to make so much money right from here. So you're going to see how I'm able to grow my small account trading gold. Okay, I started with $48, and first of all, some of you will tell me that this is not a real account. So let me go to it, and of course you're going to see I'm using HFM broken firm, and of course this is my name. This is real account. You guys can see it like that, this way, and of course you're going to see that right here I'm having $100 in my balance because I've pulled off some fund already, and of course I'm going to show you this, guys. Okay, you can see right here this is $156 profit. Okay, and of course you can see the trading activities. I did my analysis. I placed some orders. I started with gold. Later on I went with GBP USD. I still did some with gold again. I also made some losses. Okay, here I did losses. Okay, yeah, around here the trade actually went the other way around. Okay, and I closed everything at that point. Okay, it's my stop loss. Okay, so that is why I made some losses around here. But right here you're going to see that my balance fund removed. Check it out, fund removed. I withdrew $100 from there after trading. Okay, and of course I still picked it up from there, and of course I made some losses again. I made more losses. Okay, because it's my stop loss and my fund got reduced again. I went back to do my analysis again and placed some orders starting with gold, and of course I added some GBP USD to it after making some good amount of profit. And of course check it out, it ended well, and of course I placed a withdrawal of $52. Right from there I pull out another $50, making $152 withdrawal. And of course if you should check out my balance, I'm still having days in my balance $100. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. So this is how you can milk the market, always using the trading tool. It works for all assets. Okay, either you are trading synthetic indices, or you are trading fiat currency, that is currency pairs, or you are trading special assets like gold, silver, and the likes. It works for each and every one of these assets. Okay, so you can always make money right from here. You can see I make money, I place withdrawal. That is the beauty of it. As I'm making money, I'm placing withdrawal. This was the first withdrawal I did this morning. That is $100. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Here is another one with $52, and of course I'm only playing around with this account. This is not even my main account. Okay, this is just to show you that this is real and this is really working well. Okay, guys, you can watch out for more tips from me. This is Qora Digital Cash. We give you the best from here. Okay.